What's up, guys? It's January 16th, 2025. I had a sideways day in the markets. I think it was about 40 points total. 40, 45, 41-ish. Daily chart, 15-minute chart. The overnight session just opened up, so that's what we're looking at here. I meant to say like this bar, not the entire chart. 15 daily chart, 15-minute. Again, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. Now we're rallying. We're coming into resistance. There's a bear trend line here. Broad channel. This is a wedge bottom, so we've got a bull gap now. Limit order bears who have limit orders up here are trapped. Excuse me, up here are trapped. The bar broke out and trapping them. They're gonna have to short higher to get out at break even. Give me 2 seconds. Excuse me. Okay. So bad follow through on the EMA. Today's price action. Bears are selling highs, bulls are buying lows, so that caused us to go sideways. We had an expansion contraction day. We'll see what happens tomorrow if we sell off or we rally or we go more sideways. Every time we come off to the EMA, the last 2 times we were pushing EMA, it's been a sell off, but that's given us a wedge bottom with a good buy signal. I think this buy signal needs to be retested. The bulls that bought the low here have already made their 1-to-1 and they made 1.5 R, so they're going to want to make more money. Bears are trapped. Strong bar, bad follow through. Zooming in on that price action here. We have that strong bar, and then we have a wedge bull flag that kind of ends up going more sideways. We try to break out of this range. Bulls try to break out of this range and eventually sells off. It's a sell off, it's expanding, and it has a lot of overlap. So it's not the strongest sell off. It's not the strongest rally. So today was a tough day. I was reading the Discords, people were getting chopped up. Surprisingly, I walked out with 17 points. I had 10 trades, 2 losses, 8 winners. Very surprised, but usually, this is the anti-breakout day. But focusing on second legs and scalping really saved me today. Where am I? Gap up, bar one being a bear bar. Bar bad for the bulls, good for the bears. Bad follow through at yesterday's high. Bar two is a trailing range bar. So we have 2 bars with bar one has a bigger tail, bar one has more tail. Bar three becomes an outside bar. Trades higher, trapping bulls, and sells off. Good for the bears. Bears that are shorting here are now filled. Big leg one, pull back leg two. 3-bar range, and it breaks out quickly. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. And it goes sideways. Super overlap. You could buy bear bars. So you buy the bear bar, you make money. You short the bull bars, you make money. I had a limit order set below 3 and I got filled on 8 and I sold off. I scalped out on 9. Sideways price action, lots of overlap. Best for breakout traders to wait. Bar 17. This is becoming breakout mode now. Leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three, pull back leg four. When we see 5 pushes down, that's breakout mode. Smaller time frame, there's that price action. Oh, tough price action for sure. Sell off into the range. Leg one for the bulls, pull back leg two for the bulls. And even within the leg two, so leg one, pull back leg two, even within this leg two, we have a leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Bears get there, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. Rally, testing the highs. It's range bound price action. It's hard to count legs in range bound price action because we're just ping ponging back and forth. And in range bound price action, we count implied legs. Look at this tail. That's a bull leg on a smaller time frame than the 1 minute. Leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three, pull back, leg four. So this is a tough price action, guys. If you got scraped up today, don't even feel bad. Hopefully the damage wasn't too bad, and we'll make some money in the next breakout. Man, having a hard time talking today. So we saw the guts of this, and then we rally, break out of this trading range. I actually got trapped. I had another limit order set. The bar one low, got trapped on 18. I had some time to get out, but I hesitated, and before you know it, I take a 10-point hit. Leg one, pull back, leg one, pull back, leg two, pull back, leg three. wedge top into resistance. Trading range price action all day. 50% of breakouts fail. And that's what we see here. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Invisible pullback 24, leg 1, invisible pullback, leg 2, second leg trap. And this is also 6 bear legs. So leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, pullback, leg 4, pullback, leg 5, pullback, leg 6. It's fractal, all fractal. Those 6 bear legs are fractal. On the 5 minute, there's only 2 bear legs, but it's still a second leg trap. And here's that zoomed in version of second leg trap. Bulls also have a wedge top. That pullback, that one bar was a wedge top. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Wedge bottom into support is a bull flag. Rallies leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. We go more sideways, creating a bear flag. All bull channels have a bear breakout. All bear channels have a bull breakout. That's Al Brooks 101. That's old. That's a very old lesson I learned in the Al Brooks course. I forgot about that. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Rally leg for the bulls, leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Creates a wedge top bear flag. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Those are the 6 legs I counted. And just real quick while we're here, there's that wedge top I was talking about. 3 legs higher on the breakout across this range. Leg 1, opposite bar, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Wedge top into resistance. Resistance being the bar 1, 2, 3 high. 1, 2, 3 high is resistance. So yeah, there's that. You see the wedge top, we see the down legs. And then we have another visible 3 legs for the bulls. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. I bought this high. I scalped out on 24, and then I shorted 25's low, and I scalped out here. Made a decent amount of money. I think it was about 70 points. The real trade was getting that breakout point for 21. Sell off, reverse. I bought the 28 high here with a limit order on 34. And I put my limit order to break even. I was a little bit scarred from this rally, unfortunately, and it went straight to my target. My target was the previous range highs. Very annoyed with that. I did that to myself because I haven't done a break even trade in a long time. It kind of shocked me. That brought me back to life. I saw 37, 38, 39 breakout, leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Didn't even count leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, 3. Had a limit order set below 37, got filled on 44, and I got out around 43's low. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. I stopped trading around then. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Wedge bottom with a bear breakout. Leg 1, there's a lot of legs in here. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3, pullback, leg 4. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Okay, I just sped through that. I shouldn't have done it that fast. So let's go talk about this price action. Where are we in the overall market cycle? Well, yesterday we had a breakout. So here, breakouts are important to understand because the market can either be breaking out or reversing. And reversing is a form of a breakout. It just has different energy behind it. Breakouts move because there's trap traders. So reversal trap traders, it's a form of a breakout. So let's just say for what I just said, let's say this bar is a breakout bar because it's trapping bears at lows. Okay, so it traps bears at lows. Bulls want to buy. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2, pullback, leg 3. Climactic price action. What happens on leg 3 we go sideways. So this is the overall market cycle. And on the 5 minute, we've had breakouts on both sides, micro channels on both sides. It puts us in range bound price action. So the higher time frames are lining up with the lower time frames. Now let's talk about this price action because I just zoomed through that. Here's the range, which was the wedge bottom I called out like 5 seconds ago. I meant not in the Discord. I didn't call out anything in the Discord. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, pullback leg 4, pullback leg 5. It's a wedge bottom. It's a trading range price action. 5 pushes in any direction is trading range price action. It's a form of a triangle. In this case, it was a wedge bottom that had a bear breakout. Breaking out 222 to 227. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, pullback leg 4. Trading range behavior. This is actually a higher low, or excuse me, head and shoulders. Don't really care for that. What matters is the price action, and this shows leg 1, pullback leg 2 for the bulls, second leg trap. For the bears, get 2 legs down. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, second leg trap, creating a higher low. Enough trap bears at lows, causing a rally, causing a bullish breakout. What causes a breakout is when one side is forced to do the other thing. So right here, Bears were forced to buy back shorts. They were looking for a test of the EMA, and I was watching this price action actually thinking it was going to test the EMA as well. But in trading range, we get delayed second legs. So now we have this price action. I should get second leg. Did I say in price action? In trading ranges, we get delayed second legs. So this should all get a second leg, and it does here. Nonetheless, before that, leg one, pull back leg two, pull back leg three. And there's more than just three legs here, but that's the visible pullbacks. Have a strong rally, 55 being a good reversal bar that gets tested on 59. So you could put a limit order here, you get filled on 59, rallies, you scalp out. Sideways price action. Kind of looks like the daily chart now. Big bull bar with a sideways price action. Breaking out 62. Bad breakout, reverses, testing the middle of this trading range. So what do I mean by that? I'm talking about this right here was the trading range, and it broke out and then came back and tested the middle. See? So breakout, failed. Wait, here we go. Where's the candle? Okay. So this is the breakout candle, pullback, breaks out, fails, tests the middle. There's more buyers, 50% pullback. We rally for three legs. Leg one, pullback leg two, pullback leg three. Bull flag, breakout. Today was a fast day. Very fast moving bars. The bars were bigger. There were more vacuums. I really like this trade. I didn't take it, but having a limit order set below 69, you get filled on 74, 75, and then you cash the second leg of this. 69, 70, 71, 3 bars, 3, that's a bearish micro channel, 2-legged pullback, that's great. 75 can be a low 2, but it could also be a trap because it's a low 2 at a better price. 76 rallies just like bar 3, trapping bulls at highs. It reverses lower, they hit, bulls sell out of longs, bears short the bear flag, and we get a nice climactic price action, 78, 79, 80, 81. Over the So gaps get closed on trading range days. We have a gap here. We have no gaps. And we have a gap here. So this gap gets closed with bar 18. No gaps. Then we have a gap here that gets closed right away, very fast. Then we have another gap here that gets closed very fast with 33, 35, 34, 35. Another gap, it gets tested. Days open kind of more, it gets more tested, 44, we sell off. So this gap kind of stayed open. Barely. Hold on. It got tested, you know, some may say it closed because there's a candle through it. And it sold off. So that's interesting. This gap. So there's a slight bearish tone to the day. Towards the middle of the day, there's a slight bearish tone, and that could have caused these two legs. Here's another gap, and that also gets closed. Bull gap here. It gets closed. Bear gap gets closed. 74. It kind of stays open. It's a hard one. Subjective. Depends how you want to read it. Then we have two gaps that stay open. So let's see what the overnight price action looks like real quick. Come up to this gap and it sells off. Bulls want to buy the lows. Bears want to full on bear flag trend. So we'll see what happens. Bear flag breakout that leads to a trend. What are the measured moves? Today was a tough day. You can go for a measured move of bar 3. That would be met here. You just have to short it and hope leg 1 pullback to 2. It's met with bar. What number is that? 7. Measured move of 17 is good, but that's a hard one. Measured move of 18, you know, it fails. You don't ever really get a measured move of that. Barely if you buy 28. Buying bear bars and shorting the bull bars made money today. 3 bars here. Short the pullback 20. If you just shorted the lows, actually, you wouldn't get 1-to-1. Short the pullback, and you do get that 1-to-1. Another 3 bars, not going to meet the 1-to-1 perspective here. You're going to have to scalp out or you're going to be underwater, buy lower, not the best trade. Then we have 3 bear bars here, short the pullback. You're going to make that 1-to-1. We can eyeball that. Now you guys are looking for a breakout of this bar. I know all of you wanted that. I wanted it. I wasn't even trading. You're going to get trapped here. If you have a 1-to-1 stop, you actually would make money, but that's a hard pullback to sit through. But let's say you short 69. You make your 1-to-1, you make 1.5 by the end of the day. Delete that. 3 bars. Maybe you short the first pullback, you sit through 50% pullback, short higher, your price line's here. You gotta trade small if you're gonna average in. Trading range price action, so it's normal to average in. I did not average in. I don't plan on averaging in. Just it's a tool. Know when to use it. Don't scale in on trends. If you're gonna scale in on trading ranges, make sure if you trade 3 micros, you trade one at a time. You can short 75, you can short 76, you can short 77. You make 1-to-1 fairly quickly. Hope you guys had a good day. It was a hard day. I'm gonna be at work tomorrow, so the review's gonna be pretty late. I'll pop in on the Discord and say what's up, but for the most part, I won't be day trading. I definitely want to cut that job by the end of this year, probably way before that. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. If you learned something, share the show. If you join the Discord below, my name is Ding Dong. It's not Price Action Breakdowns. I am Ding Dong in Discord. So you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for always tuning in.